that what they call it? Or Mother Nature? I wish I can just step outside my home and just prance into a field, just like Julie Andrews did. We build buildings and bricks upon this wonderful land. Where are all the birds gone? Cheep, cheep. Oh, there you are. I was looking for you. One little seed is the root to all evil. It grows and grows until it takes over. Sometimes we get apples and sometimes we get none. Air. Exactly. In through the nose and out through the mouth. We breathe in whatever is in the air. We breathe out into the atmosphere. It's all around us. It's everywhere. It's in every country, in every place, in every space. You can buy it on eBay and at the seaside. What's that lovely cooking smell? Freshly baked cakes. Lovely food with herbs and spices. Then we exercise. We stop for air. Then we die. And the air is still there. Fire! There's a reason why I'm not writing this in a red pen. I'm writing about fire. Fire isn't red, it's more yellow. Well, actually, fire can be any color. Fire can be passion. Fire can be determination. Fire in your belly. Battle. Fight fire with fire. The warmth from the fire cooks my food. Some people scream, fire, fire, when they started the fire. I wonder how many times I've said fire in this piece. Water. Sometimes I say water. Sometimes I say water. Sometimes I say water. Actually, it's my favorite drink. Did you know that everything comes from water or needs water to exist? Water can be scary. Haven't you seen Jaws or Piranha? Hang on a minute. It's not the water that's scary. It's the sharks and the poisonous jellyfish. Well, actually, we always go into their house. The sea is their house. If you ever come into my house again, I'll bite your head off.